Deep beneath the earth lies a giant honeybee kingdom, where millions of bees work together around their queen. An expert beekeeper carefully searches for the queen bee, the most important member of the colony. At the center of the colony, the powerful queen bee is finally discovered. The queen bee is carefully secured for transport to a new hive.
Guided by her scent, millions of loyal worker bees follow their queen.
Before entering their new home, the colony arrives at a massive honey production facility built around the natural life of bees. The queen bee arrives at her new home, a giant honey-producing hive factory. Inside, millions of bees work together in a carefully designed environment that mirrors a natural hive. The worker bees immediately begin building massive honeycomb structures. The colony prepares a special royal chamber for their queen.
The queen takes her mating flight to ensure future generations of bees. After mating, the queen begins laying thousands of eggs every day.
The honeycomb nursery quickly fills with developing eggs.
After several days, the eggs hatch into tiny larvae that require constant care.
Worker bees carefully feed the young larvae with nutrient-rich food. The larvae grow rapidly under the protection of the colony. Once fully grown, the larvae are sealed inside their chambers. Inside the sealed cells, the transformation into adult bees begins. A new generation of worker bees emerges, ready to serve the colony. As more bees are born, the colony grows stronger and larger every day. As dawn breaks, millions of worker bees leave the hive. Guided by instinct, they spread across the landscape in search of fresh nectar and pollen.
Worker bees gather nectar from thousands of flowers across the landscape. The collected nectar is brought back to the colony for processing. Inside the hive, the nectar is transformed into rich golden honey through a natural process.
When the honey is ready, the bees seal each cell to preserve it.